10 years.
In 10 years.
In 10 years.
In 10 years.
10 years. In 10 years.
In 10 years.
I will be a psychiatrist or a counselor.
Will be a forensic. I will be a good teacher and good wife to my future husband. I will be the best teacher in the world. I'm gonna be a dentist, or if I'm not gonna be dentist, I'm gonna be nutrition.
I'll be a dermatologist.
Sekali lagi, nasi yang garang.
When I'm 28, I will get married to a very handsome guy.
I will go travel around the world with my mom, also my future husband, good mother to my children. And we travel around the world. I will get married, then go travel around the world with him, then life is full. I will live happily with a new house, with my own car, which is BYD, my own house. And I want to keep my parents in there, give allowance every month. I live my life, just peace and skincare. I will make sure you get a beautiful and healthy skin.
Saya akan pakcik-pakcik yang tak makan ubat.
Dan saya akan jadi one and only lah, wife.
Fine, one and only. The future.
And good luck for Bye.